Yes, sir. First day back on my little training. Stay ready, ain't gotta get ready. Like I said, while these old ass busters is trying to start gang banging, nigga, I might as well start boxing. Tell weird ass cuz you keep posting up addresses and shit like that, cuz I'm gonna let the world know your mark ass stay in Marina Del Rey. Don't have me give me your apartment number, apartment 400, nigga. Quit playing with me, boy. Quit playing with me before I blast all your shit, nigga. Your Marina Del Rey and all that shit, bro. You better quit playing with me, nigga. You better come see me about something, boy. Yeah, boy. You better come see me about something, boy. While you blasting addresses, nigga, I'll be at your front door, nigga. I know apartment 400 or something. Quit playing with me, boy. Got an issue with me, you better quit playing with me, boy. Once you start playing with my family, with my issues, nigga, playing with me, boy. That nigga gonna have a nigga Marina Del Rey knocking at your door, boy. The doorman already said you was there, cuz. Quit playing with me, boy. Play with me all day, you start playing with my family, boy. Yeah, play with my family, boy. You better go talk to your big homie, nigga. You better go back talk to the firm, nigga. I know the firm hollered at your bitch ass. You better go back and holler at the firm, nigga.
That nigga said go holler at the farm. Cam Max stupid.
You better stay in a civilian's place. Or jump in the government boxing ring, nigga. But you better stay about this hood shit, nigga. You better quit putting my business on blast, boy. It's gonna be a sad day in the 60s for your mark ass.
Damn. This shit getting out of hand. This nigga Cam Max says is a motherfucker.
Yeah, you have all that shit, boy. Don't nobody know this dude. That's one thing when you a fake crip, nigga, you fake politicking, nigga. You feel me? You fake politicking, nigga. You better learn, man. Your big homie already called your mark ass off. You done fucked around with the wrong monkey today, nigga. Mark ass nigga.
What up? It's Money Low channel, y'all. Check it out, man.
40-year-old banger, boy.
Both these niggas my homie, cuz. Both of these niggas smell like, both these niggas 6'0". Homie Cam Mack, cuz. Look Cam Mack. Look Cam Mack from back in the day, cuz. The homie 600. I call him 60'S, man. I know that nigga is from 6'0". Now how he moving? Maybe he got a strategy. I don't know. But to the homie, man, shit ain't looking good, cuz. And me being from 6'0", cuz, I don't like this shit, cuz. But who am I? You know, that's between the homies. But it's all on the internet and shit, my nigga. Damn, cuz, the 6'0" one supposed to never get it like this, my nigga. We street niggas, cuz. We the real street niggas and shit. Look at this shit. Now, here go my take. I'm putting my little 2 cents in it. I feel Cowboy defending himself. I don't think Cowboy's really... Cowboy. Whatever he did. If motherfuckers forgive him. If God forgive you, man, you got to forgive the next man. You know what I mean? What God not going to forgive you for is murder. Unjustified murder, he ain't going to forgive you for that. All these other things, though, he going to give you forgiveness, man. So if God forgive a man or woman, you gotta forgive them. Straight up. You can't go on fucking with them about it. That's just how it go, man. You don't like it, it's just how it go, man. But I think Cowboy's sincere. Now this the motherfucker I know. Y'all know Cowboy. I know Lick Cam Mack. But y'all fix this shit, man. This shit look real bad, my nigga, on this internet. We got all these outsiders making comments and all that old bullshit. Ain't never even seen the show, nigga. Niggas ain't never seen the show. They ain't never seen 60th Street. We out, man. Like, comment, subscribe to the homie Lil Cam Mack and the homie 60'S, man. 600. Man, whatever's gonna happen is gonna happen. I think y'all need to leave this shit alone like this, man. Don't do this. This shit never be again, man, with the set. This shit can never happen again, my niggas. I love both of y'all, my nigga. On the set, 6 times 10, nigga. We out. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and that Money Low button, man.